Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix desktop icons turned white in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to select that particular application which becomes a white icon instead of the correct or accurate icon on the application. All you need to do is you need to select on that, and the moment you have selected on that, in my case I don't face an error, but I'll teach you how to fix it. So please do a right click the moment you have selected the application, which turns into white icon, and all you need to do is you need to scroll down and go with properties. The moment you have the click on it, you'll be able to see a new window, which is the application properties, where here need to proceed on start in, where you can see their allocation or path that is being attached with. So Control C to copy, and the moment you have copied it, proceed on this second option, which is change icon. Click on it, and here look for icons in this file. All you need to do is you need to click on browse, and the moment you have to click on it, you need to proceed with desktop. So select your desktop, and here you need to paste the path link that you have just copied under the start in. So Control V to paste, and once you have pasted it, click on enter, and you would be redirected to the path that you have just being copied. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and look for the application, okay, that you have just downloaded, which face a white icon error, and you need to go with open to continue. The moment you have clicked on it, you'd be able to see these icons from the list below. All you need to do is you need to select the icon that you would want with, okay, and once you have selected, click on OK and go with apply and then OK. Once you have clicked on it, you'll be able to fix the white icon problem in your desktop. Okay? So that's how easy actually to fix it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.